Wake up, you lazy oaf!
Bam!
Oh.
Time to get up, time to get up.
Oh, Dil, come
Oh,
on!
he is having a bad morning.
It looks like someone's died in the house and people are leaving flowers outside, Dan.
We've just laid roses outside the house now, thinking that's how we plant them. Oh! That's the second day in a row he smashed his bowl as well.
Oh, he's awful today. Right, we don't want to miss work. What time is it?
4 p.m. Go to work! Maybe the porcelain pig is sentient, and it has the soul of the Native American. And there we go. Dil is asleep.
Get up, lazy
Dil, get
face.
your tits out of bed.